Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Obsolete Techie. On this little episode we're going to be making, I'm going to be talking about the Nvidia Quadro4 980 XGL. And you might probably seen this one on Instagram when I got it. Yeah, it was missing, well, it wasn't missing, the heatsink that was on it wasn't working properly. And I got this new heatsink for it, which is pretty nice for it. It works really well. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing on this episode or video how I did this, how I replaced this heatsink. And yeah, hopefully later on when it comes to GPU June, I'll be making a video comparison to one of the cards that I have, which is the GeForce 4 Ti 4200. Yeah, you probably see it right there. I do have one that is close to that one, which is this card. And this is a GeForce 4 Ti 4600, and it's comparable to that one. But unfortunately, this one is artifacting, and I don't know if you guys can see, but some of this stuff is kind of burnt out. So yeah, I need to replace them. Yeah, they're kind of brownish. So most likely it's just replacing the memory chips on there. Hopefully that helps the problem. But if not, I might have to get another one and do more testing on it, I guess. But for now, we're just going to be showing this, what do you call it, card? Yeah, how I put it together. Took out that heatsink and stuff like that. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. And if you like it, just please like and subscribe. And yeah, let's continue with the video. Okay, so this is the Quadro4. This is the heatsink for it. And clean this up real quick. Prepare it first. Let's do with this one right here. I'm gonna put my camera so you guys can see. I need to get these two holes right there. Okay, so that means this it translates to these two right here. So that means I gotta put the screws on this one right here. That works. Okay. So that makes sense now. Now, a little bit. Get that little paste. don't know if I should use the old one or should I get the new one. I have it here. K5 Pro. I can use this one on it. Ooh, that's a lot. That should be good enough, right? Okay. Alright. Need to put these on there. I need to move the camera real quick so you guys can see what I'm doing. Awesome. Right. Just like this. Cherry. Look at that. Oh, we'll zoom in there. Looks good. That's crazy. Looks very good. So happy. This little thing. It's not too heavy on the board. It does feel heavier. Okay. So let's test it. Let's see. Let me clean up real quick here and I'll show you guys what I have here. Okay, so let's install this real quick. Screw. Here it is. This little puppy. I'll put it on here. Alright, let's take a look at it from the bottom. Let's close this door. Okay, so let's install the drivers real quick. Let me see. Computer, video. So hopefully I have the drivers here in it.
A few moments later.
Just a quick memo of what's going on right here. I installed the software and everything was working fine, so I started messing around with the resolution of the computer, and that's what you're about to see right now. So let's go this resolution, see if it works. All right, here we go. Let me see how high can it go. I think on this monitor that's the highest it will. Oh wow. Let's try that. Damn, it does go that far. Okay. Well, I guess that's it for this video. And yeah, stay tuned for the next episode or the next video that come out with this Nvidia Quadro4 980 XGL, and hopefully I can compare with the other cards that I have here. Well, thanks again, and please like and subscribe.